Today is Sunday, March 13th, the final day of NADA Show 2022 in Las Vegas. Let's end this show with a bang. At 8:30, the Expo doors open. Today is your last chance to check out more than 500 top industry exhibitors. It's open for business until 2:30. Dealer franchise meetings continue today at 10:30. Also starting at 10:30, workshops, the exchange, and the Distinguished Speaker Series are open. The NADA Live stage is still open, and some of the best guests and experts are on the schedule for today. It's a great place to sit and take a break and learn something about a timely topic at the same time. Don't forget to stop by the EV Solutions Center, located in the North Hall, for a chance to get answers and solutions to all of your EV-related questions for dealers. At today's general session, beginning at 2:30, we'll meet newly retired Army Staff Sergeant Travis Mills and hear the story of his journey to overcome adversity as a recalibrated veteran. We've still got more workshops and exchange topics happening on this last day of the NADA show, so be sure to take advantage of the topics being offered. That's what's happening today at NADA Show 2022. For details on times and topics, check the NADA Show app or consult the online schedule at nadashow.org.